If you use Microsoft Edge and want to personalize your browser, one of the easiest things you can do is add or change your profile picture. This is a simple way to make your browser feel more like your own, especially if you use different profiles for work, school, or personal browsing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a profile picture in Edge browser in just a few quick steps. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner of the window where you'll see your profile area. This is usually shown next to the three-dot menu, and if you already have a profile set up, you may see a default icon or your current picture there. Go ahead and click the three dots next to profile. After that, choose Edit from the menu. This will open your profile settings so you can customize the appearance of that profile. Now you'll see an option to pick a new picture. Click on that and Edge will show you a selection of profile images you can choose from. Take a moment to browse through the available options and select the one you want to use. Once you click your preferred picture, it will immediately update your Edge profile. And that's it. Your new profile picture is now set in Microsoft Edge. This is a quick but useful way to keep your browser organized and visually easy to patch on. No, keep it professional. This is a quick but useful way to keep your browser organized and visually easy to recognize, especially if multiple people use the same device. If you want to switch it again later, just repeat the same steps and choose a different image. So to recap, click the three dots next to profile, choose edit, and then pick a new picture. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in how your browser looks and feels. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.